The number 33 is very, very important. Okay? Number 33 is almost like a magic number to these people. Okay? And so like what we believe is that it's secret societies that are responsible for these events. Okay? Mainly the Freemasons. But there are others as well. Okay? I'll discuss this later. Number 33 is important. Okay? So look at this. 11 plus 22 is what? 33. 33. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? You see how nice this number is? 33 is also two triangles, right? What happens when you put two triangles together? You get the Star of David, which is the flag of Israel. Okay? So number 33 is a very special number for secret societies. Here's something that's really also really interesting about number 33. If you look at the world map, okay, the equator. If you go north 33 degrees, you get a lot of places, okay? The first place you get is in Mesopotamia, Iraq. It's where the Tigris and Euphrates, these are two rivers. This is where they meet, okay? Why is this important? Because this meeting place is what we consider the birth of civilization. It's a crate of civilization. Over here is Baghdad. Baghdad was the capital of the Islamic Golden Age, the Islamic Caliphate, okay? A historical city. Over here is Damascus, one of the oldest cities in the world. Over here, of course, is Jerusalem, the holiest city for both the Christians and for the Jews. You keep on going over here to America, this is Dallas. Why is Dallas important? Because that's where JFK was assassinated. But you keep on going, and this is like interesting. You go to New Mexico, and you get to the Trinity test site. This is where the atomic bomb was detonated. Okay? You go over here, 33 degrees in Japan. Do you know what city is 33 degrees north in Japan? Shimi? Not Tokyo. There are two cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Why are they important? Okay? These are the two places where the atomic bomb was dropped. Okay? Think about that. 33 north in New Mexico is where they tested the atom bomb. And then Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 33 degrees north, is where they dropped the two atomic bombs. All right, so why is this important? Because if you're a secret society, what makes secret society important is the mythology or the story that they tell about their purpose. Now, it's easy to understand here why 33 degrees is important. Okay? Because 33 degrees, you're not too hot because you're away from the equator, but you're not too cold, okay? So you can farm. And that's why all these major cities, including Baghdad, Damascus, Jerusalem, are situated 33 degrees north, okay? Also a place called Harappa, okay, which is the Indus Valley civilization, is also 33 degrees north. So a lot of the major cities are situated in this latitude. So that makes sense, okay? This is the old world. What's the old world? The old world is obey God, okay? That's the old world. Now we go to the new world, okay? What makes the new world different? Well, when America was founded, there was a religion called deism. And deism, the belief is that God created the universe, but then he went away. So the universe is what we make of it. So now we are God. And this is the grand secret of these secret societies. They exist in order to do what God could not do, or what God can do, to replace God. So what is it that God does? Well, what the first God does is he changes matter. Second thing is he can kill other gods. And the third thing is he can create life. All right? What does changes matter mean? It means the nuclear bomb. Right? The nuclear bomb. So what does kill other gods mean? It means you can kill President of the United States, JFK, who was considered a prince. And what does create life? It means you create artificial intelligence, which is the last step. Okay? So this is part of the mythology. The old world is being replaced by the new world. Now, if you're able to do all three things, now you're able to bring heaven to earth. Now you're able to declare yourself God. And for that, what you need is a world government. And to show that you are truly in power, what you do is you combine the old world and the new world together by making Jerusalem your world capital. Okay? So towards the end of the semester, I will show you what the grand plan is for Jerusalem. But for now, what you need to understand is that right now in Jerusalem, there's something called the Al-Aqsa Mosque, which is the third holiest site in the Islamic tradition. It is the place where Muhammad ascended to heaven. They plan to destroy the Al-Aqsa Mosque to rebuild the Temple of Solomon, called the Third Temple. Okay? This will start World War III. Okay? Because the Muslims will get angry at this and they will come and invade Israel. And that's the purpose. So there's a grand plan to create the world government by initiating World War III. Okay?